The number one habit keeping you stuck in the financial struggle. Now, you see, you will never ever escape money problems unless you fix this one habit. You see, imagine that you want to buy a new house, a new car, a new bike, new jewelry, or new suit. What is that first thing comes into your mind when you are looking at that premium or luxury thing? You say that I can't afford it. Now, when you say that I can't afford it, you're training your mind to stay broke for life and live in a poverty and see others becoming rich because your brain stops looking for any kind of an opportunities. Even if there is an opportunity, that will get blocked. Instead, ask yourself this question: how can I afford this? How can I afford this new car, a new house? Because when you say that, how can I afford this will actually help you to reprogram your mind, your thinking in that, hey, what are the ways on how I can afford this particular thing? Like you will start getting see more opportunities. Maybe do I have a ways like where I can switch to a new job? Maybe I can do something else, or do I have to find some person who has already achieved this, which who is going to help me to achieve this as well? So this is how you can reprogram your mind by, instead of saying that I can't afford it, on saying yourself that how can I afford this, which will unlock all of your doors of opportunities. So if you found this video helpful, please press like button and also subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Okay, and comment below like how did you like this particular video, and if you also have any kind of a topics which is related to money, please go ahead and put in the comments so that I can go ahead and make a video out of it. Okay, so I'll see you soon in the next video. See you. Bye bye. Take care.